welcome back to my channel. My today's video is the next episode of hashtag how to remove blackheads from your nose. This is a very common problem we all are facing, from blackheads, whiteheads on your chin, on your foreheads, on your nose. Basically nose area पे बहुत ज़्यादा blackheads आ जाता है. So my today's remedy is how to remove blackheads from your nose. This is a very easy home remedy. So you need to take warm water, any charcoal peel off mask. Here I am taking this one. You can take any charcoal peel off mask, any cotton hanky. Just dip it, squeeze it, and इसमें आपको क्या करना है, इसको ऐसे डिप करना है एंड अपनी नोज पे इसको 5 से 10 मिनट्स तक इस तरह से लगाना है. ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद आप इसको पानी को सारा वाइप कर लीजिए. टेक योर पील ऑफ मास्क एंड अप्लाई ऑन योर नोज. टेक अ थिक लेयर ऑफ पील ऑफ मास्क. Now my nose are clean, so you can try on your chin area, your chin area, your forehead area. So I have a blackheads only on my nose. That is why I tried only on my nose area. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share करके मुझे बताइए कि next episode how to hashtag में आप कौन सा tutorial देखना चाहते हैं. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.